Hi there, Dory Cox with Lion Real Estate here. Did you know that one of the most important home maintenance things that you can do around your house is to drain the water heater, hot water heater, once a year? Because sediment gets down below and it can actually affect negatively the performance as well as the longevity of the hot water heater. It's actually pretty easy to do. You can call your favorite plumber or even look up the DIY resources. Pretty much requires a garden hose and a flathead screwdriver. So anyway, you're supposed to be doing it about once a year. If you are a buyer, then your home inspector will check out the hot water heater for age and proper installation, but they don't really know if it's been drained regularly or not. So as a homeowner, what you can do is use a home maintenance checklist and hang on to it. And then someday when you do sell your house, you can make that information available to potential buyers, and that's a big plus. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.